Hi, boys and girls. This month we're talking about transportation. And today we'll be talking about the train. And as you see, I have a train riding around in my living room. We have the engine in front, and it's blowing its whistle. It's carrying some poles and two cars and a caboose. Do you see the train on the tracks in your neighborhood? Do you watch the cars as they go by? Tell us about the train in your neighborhood. This train usually be riding around my Christmas tree, but I pulled it out just for you.